Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Finally, I have got my IKEA wardrobe. I know it is IKEA. There is like so many wardrobes today to buy, and I could make a wardrobe made to measure, but I really don't want to invest much money here because I would like to invest in something else. So this wardrobe, it is quite big. This is actually two parts of it. So as you saw of the assembly video, it was like this is just the one piece and this is the other piece of it. So you can just add more and more and more, and you can create a whole wall, or as you want. Maybe this can be four-door wardrobe, or can be like just like I've got three. I thought that longer one wouldn't fit because it is 160 centimeters over there, and I thought that longer is gonna be like too big, but actually not. Actually, I can buy extra one of these, but then I I wanna have a mirror. Just the best would be if I will have a mirror in the one of the door. That could be really, really the best. And I had to think about this. Maybe in the future we will see. For now, it is as it is. And I have to say that my little dream come true because I always dream about something like this, something like the boots that they won't get any dust over there, because usually when I have boots somewhere like on the floor or everywhere, it is a bit messy, this annoying me, but finally this looks wonderful and I love it. Still, I would like to have my old boots in the on the one wall. It could be really, really wonderful. Rest of my boots, they are a bit messy, and I have to just figure it out something that I can have boots in just two of my wardrobe, because at this moment I've got like one wardrobe here, second wardrobe in the hall, and the other wardrobe there. I will just show you the videos also, but you can see like but I remember all my boots I've got, so I didn't count them yet. I have to just make it, but it is really, really amazing having something like this. Just really, I would like to have like a whole wall in the boots and bags, and just whole room can be my one big wardrobe. I have to say that IKEA, the Billy, was so easy to do. Really, just for me, it is like very easy, and I really love it. So sometimes with the door, I've got a problem because the door you have to like screw a little more there and there and there, and this is like a bit difficult sometimes, but I still like it. One thing that I would like to add here, it is the led lights I would like to put on the each shelf. So I need like 1, 2, 3, 4, so it's gonna be like about 8, I think 8 or 10, because it is one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, sure. I should have like 5 short LED lights, and then a bit longer 5 on the other side. So this could be really great. I can't wait to make this one, but I don't want to make it like this can be for the batteries or maybe USB charge. Unfortunately, this is not the best light, I know, for me, but I would like to show you just the best boots I've got over there. I've got my favorite heels over there. Just I put my all favorite boots here. So there is like my new Casa Versace, and also I have to be quiet because my neighbor, it is behind the wall and she listen. So I've got my really old favorite boots over there. I've got the brown, super long. I have to finally take them for a walk. I've got the Fernando, the longest one. I think that they are my longest boots with the diamonds. I really love them. So they are also my ankle boots. Just with the ankle boots, I really love the ankle boots, but they must be soft. If they are not soft, they may hurt you. So they are my all Casa Day boots. Oh, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got 8 pair of the blades. I don't want to mix any more cascades here, or maybe I will just put another like wardrobe just with the cascades. But all I would like to say, I've got the um, just the blade models. I don't have here Julia, because I've got also the green Julia, and I've got also the Flora with the platforms. They are in the special boxes. I twist my ankle in the Flora boots, and I don't want to repeat that. So please do not ask for Flora again. You can just come back to the old videos and you can see the Flora there. For now, for me, it is like no more, really. The my twisted ankle, I did so many videos with my twisted ankles, and it was really painful. So I don't want to come back, and I'm really I'm afraid to wear these boots again so much. Then I've got my other boots on the bottom. I just want to make the whole shelf of the look down, but mm, just I need extra space, over there. Or maybe I have to just think I can always remove the shelves and I can just put them in the different way. But I think that the all ankle boots over there, all heels over there, just there. I wish this all boots can be nice and straight, not like this, because I know that it isn't really good to have these boots this way bent, because it is not really good for the leather. But I'm trying to bend them one time in this way, other time in the other way. So I hope this is okay. Just if I have to like, I need a space for these boots, yeah. So they will be, I will put just 4 pairs and this is it. So like I said, maybe in the future I will make something bigger and better. I really enjoy the weather today. It is very beautiful, sunny. Um, it is bright, and we've got a snow. So a big surprise. Started snowing yesterday, and it is still like snow everywhere. So really nice and cool. And today my outfit, it is just black, but something wild again. My belt, as you can see, the faux leather trousers, which are a little bit too small, but they're thermal, so they stretch really. They're fine. And I've got boots, which are nice and shiny, because I think that we can make this shine really good with the leather. And I've got just pop of color, which is purple, and matching gloves in the same color. Maybe not the same color, but very similar color. So, how do you like my wardrobe? I hope that you like it. I have to say that I am really proud of my work, of my hard work with this wardrobe. Took me everything, just, assembly was quite easy. But then when I had to clean everything, put boots on, maybe this boots, maybe this, I didn't know which boots I supposed to, the shelves, I just changed the shelves like 10 times. And I put the heels firstly on the left side, but then I realized that I don't have enough shelves, so I can always change it, and I can always just order another part of this wardrobe. So this is really great. So you can create really just whole long wardrobe for your wall. I don't have enough space here for this, but who knows? Who knows what brings me tomorrow? You never know. So I really love it. For now, my hunters, they're on the top shelf, which is so crazy. But if it'll be raining, then I can just grab them really easy, and they can be there, no problem at all. So thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what do you think about my new wardrobe. I think it is so beautiful and I really love it. Just the best feeling in the morning it is when you walk in to this room and you see this. And you can imagine your future room. So it is really like, oh my god, I love it. I really love it. Just I think I have to clean the glass door, because I just left my fingerprints on it, but just that's my fingerprint, so it is still okay. Just wipe it off a little. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what do you think. I will be waiting for the comments, and of course, always I will try answer all comments. And see you soon in the next video. Bye.